Portmore United became the first team to qualify for the playoffs of the Red Stripe Premier League following their 3-0 win over Arnett Gardens at Prison Oval today. After a goalless first half, Emilia Rousseau broke the deadlock for Portmore in the 54th minute. Andre L.A. Lewis doubled Portmore's advantage in the 86th minute with his second goal in as many games since his return to the league. And Cleon Price put the icing on the cake in stoppage time to push Portmore United to 56 points, 8 points clear of the table.
First half, they didn't allow us to play. They were kind of closing us down very quickly, and at the same time we make it even harder by trying to dribble out of the pressure. Second half we get back to Portmore football and start passing the game and opening them up. And in the end we got 3 goals because even our endurance carry us through the game and the quality.
Portmore, they were pretty much more disciplined than Arnett. As a result of that, they got 3 goals. 3 goals came out of nothing. Especially the first one, it was basically a weighted cross that ended up in the back of the net. But these youngsters have to understand, it's a job at hand, and if you want to be a part of a team, that will be successful, you have to work hard, and what they have displayed today, it's not acceptable.
And Dunbeholden's push to stay in the league was boosted following their 2-1 win over Humberland at the Royal Lakes Complex. Richard Arrett put Dunbeholden in front in the 37th minute, but Gregory Morgan leveled proceedings to Humberland in the 54th. Arrett would return in the 63rd minute to give Dunbeholden the vital win, which sees them move 4 points above the relegation zone. Tempers flared late in the game, however, resulting in both teams ending with 10 men as Dunbeholden's Shaquille Dwyer and Humberland's Renee Lloyd were sent off for violent conduct.
I'm very pleased with the team performance today. From start to finish we had control of the ball. The game was a rough game, yes, but we had control of the game. Basically we won the game from the midfield. We had total control of the midfield. We moved the ball around well. We disrupt every play that they tried to build, and we win first, second ball, and that was basically it.
Sometimes things doesn't really go the way we set out today to get 3 points, to really continue to put pressure on the people who are in front of us. Fortunately it wasn't that, so we just have to continue and play until the end of the season.
Montego Bay United registered their first win in over a month as they stunned Cavalier 2-1 at Westpaw Park to move off the foot of the table. Kaheem Paris put the informed Cavalier ahead, but goals from Nazim Grant and Dino Williams gave Mobay all 3 points. And at sports time, Tivoli Gardens and UWI were locked 0-0 after 25 minutes at the Edward Seaga Sports Complex. And in the Monday night game, we'll see second-place Waterhouse entertaining FC Reno at the Jewsland Stadium. TVJ will have live coverage of the match starting at 8:35.